ra gyud. Nasakpan na gyud.
Tao mo na siya igagaw na dito. Katulad kita paran. Igagaw na niya.
Yan, ala, oh.
Amo kaayo na.
Mantay ka na sa akin na. Ang awara gud, oh, healthy kay si buyak lang. Dalagan na?
Sa kaon ni mo, siguro mo na sila.
Kanina.
Yung lula.
Mga salina ni Christine. Yan ang nanggi.
Alo, pating surutan niya.
Hi, Princess!
Na, imo tita oh.
Hi, Princess! Tita, man ko ni mo. Bless ni Tita. Friend man mi sa imong mami.
Oh.
Dali ka.
Ito na mata.
Kumusta mang kaday?
Picture dito sa plaza.
Okay lang?
Plaza o sa kuwan?
Gwapa mo din ni si Princess, oy.
Sa plaza na lang mo.
How old are you now?
10 years old.
Wow, I know that. You just celebrated your birthday, right? 10th birthday, and I've seen your cake. Right? What kind of cake is that? Barbie cake? You requested it or your mom made it for you? Do you like it? A lot or a little bit? Oh, look at here. Oh. So how's school today? Okay lang? Did you bring something for lunch or you need to go somewhere? No? I'm talking to you in English because I know you can talk in English and I know you can understand. Right?
Ulaw na lang siya.
No, because
Tanaw na sa imong mama ang video.
Hoy, imong mami kay gimi nga hoy, Princess. Friend man kay mi sa imong mami. Naribi ako diri kay tungod nimo og ni Lola og ni Lolo. Dayon na may ipagib si mami nimo. Kabalo kag unsa? Can you guess? For you. No? You cannot guess? Give me a try. Sige na, try lang o guess.
Nag-ask ko na siya. Unsa to gi-ask nimo ni mami?
What is your wish?
Badminton o kuan?
Ha?
Badminton o
Ayun ang badminton kay makaslim ka ana.
Yakin sa man po di mo kauban magdula kung mag-badminton ka.
mga classmates.
Ah?
Sa pa ko imong gi.
Unsa pa ka to imong gi-wish?
Sa tong cellphone ako. Denora.
Cellphone? What kind of cellphone do you like?
Ano ko ni mami? Sa unsa na?
Yeah. Did you miss your mommy? A lot or a little bit?
Lalat.
Aww. But don't worry, you can go to Canada soon. And what's the name of your sister?
Del Kiara.
Jaziara. So does she looks like you? Really? Do you like her? Do you love her? You chat with her? Why? I know you guys are chatting.
Sila one.
Oh, nag-chat ba na sila? Unsa na ka nga grade in sis?
Grade 4.
Grade 4. Time sa ako sang ihatag nimo akong i-give ha. Okay. Ihatod man ta ni lolo nimo sa kuan. Tara o.
Ato na mo plaza ng istorya.
Ay mo ato na lang mi sa kuan pang sa terminal.
Oo, dito no.
Ayun, sa kuan lang ta. Sa Gaisano. Sa Gaisano lang di ay mi.
Kaysa no.
Tara oh, this is for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Tanawa sa unsay sulod. Tanawa ipakita diri kay
Kita kayo makita
pakita man para pakita ni mami.
Wow.
What's that? Show it here. Show in the camera. What's that? Can you fit in there? Sige kay kuan man na siya. Mo inat man na. Right? Do you like it? What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red! Nice. Okay. Get the other one. What's inside there? See? I'm talking in Bisaya but now with you in English. What's that?
Chocolate.
Maybe there's another one. Wow. Do you like it? Okay, you're gonna try it later on, okay? And then there's another one. Okay, open it.
Yay!
Eh?
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, look at here. Papang, can you lower down the volume because Princess would like to say something to her mommy.
Thank you, Mommy,
For,
for this.
do you like it a lot or a little bit?
A lot.
So what's that?
Food. For a music.
For music. So that's an iPad shuffle. You can download songs and you can listen into it. Because your mom says you like to listen to music. Right? So you're gonna take care of it, okay? So are you happy that you have something from mommy?
Yes.
Really? Seriously? Smile! Smile!
Tagay, sana
Smile!